Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Come on man, let's make some curry chickpea cooked in coconut milk. So guys, in this pot I'm adding 1/8 of a cup of oil. I'm using canola oil and I'm just gonna let that heat. Now guys, I'm adding my curry powder and I'm going to cook that or burn it. It's practically the same thing. In Jamaica we say burn your curry. Yeah, it's the same thing. You're practically cooking it. So the reason why I'm doing that is so that the flavor has time to release. Then after a while, like after 5 seconds or so, you're gonna see that it starts to become grainy. Yeah, it's almost there. You're just gonna continue stirring it for approximately 20 seconds. No longer, because your curry will burn, honey. And then you're gonna have to start all over, and nobody wanna do that, right? So now guys, it's time to add my chickpea, and this chickpea is the one that's already cooked, the one in the tin. So I went ahead and I drain and rinse it off. Now I'm just gonna constantly stir it. Now because you can't rely on just the curry powder or salt, I want it to have a bit more flavor. Yeah, so I'm adding some chopped onion and bell pepper to it. You can also add vegetables, whatever vegetables you guys have on hand. You can also add that, thyme, scallion, whatever it is. Now guys, I'm a little extra, so I'll be adding some coconut milk, okay? And this is just gonna take it to a whole nother level, guys, just doubling up the flavor. After, I'll be seasoning that with some Cajun season, Maggi all-purpose season, and black pepper. And I'll also be adding some more liquid to it, water preferably. Okay guys, when I tell you the cooking process for this, it was so simple. The only effort is only to cut up the vegetables. That is practically it. But the flavors developed, guys, oh my goodness, it was out of this world. Guys, I also kicked it off with some Thai chili pepper. If you have Scotch bonnet pepper or whatever pepper you guys have, you can add it to it, just so it gives it a little kick and extra flavor, okay? So guys, you just want to continue stirring it until it starts to simmer down. And I serve this with plain white rice with a side of tomato. Of course, you guys can serve this with rice, naan bread, roti. Ooh, roti, oh my goodness, I should use roti now. I should make some roti for real, man. Just I should make some roti anyways. Next time. So guys, now that the mixture has reduced, it's time to plate it. And guys, oh my goodness, it was so good. The only thing missing on my plate was a little piece of roti though, and some avocado pear. You understand? That was it. But guys, I thank you so much for stopping to watch another video. If you're subscribed to my channel, guys, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I thank you guys once more, as I said 1 millionth time. I thank you guys so much. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Also turn on your post notification, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.